Hi, here's a quick tutorial on how to do a mouse hover event when using Playmaker and Unity UI. And so what we want is for this to trigger every time our mouse enters, mouses over, and changes when we exit. The key here is we're using the UI on pointer enter event and using the UI on pointer exit event. Something else to note is that we want to make sure that we have our events here and these events are set as global. If everything is working correctly, you'll see these two little signal points, which means they're jumping over to this global event that's located in your FSM. To find it, it is under UI on pointer enter event and UI on pointer exit event. Last note is just make sure that you're thinking through and it's performing the one you want over. So when you want to mouse over this will trigger over here and trigger this side here. And when you want to exit, that you leave here. And so you have those two states doing that. Hope this helps.